eating habits, and grocery purchases, AI can help you optimize your shopping list, reducing the chances of buying more than you need. This not only saves money but also ensures that less food ends up in landfills. Smart refrigerators can track expiration dates and even suggest recipes that use up ingredients nearing their expiry. Imagine a fridge that not only keeps your food fresh, but also helps you plan meals efficiently. With AI's help, we can all make conscious efforts to minimize waste and create a more sustainable future. By integrating AI into our daily routines, we can significantly reduce our environmental footprint and promote a healthier planet for future generations. Section 5. Cooking Up a Revolution. The Future of AI in the Kitchen. The future of AI in the kitchen is brimming with possibilities. From smart appliances that can anticipate your needs to fully automated cooking systems, the integration of AI is set to revolutionize how we prepare and enjoy our meals. Imagine robotic chefs that can whip up gourmet meals with precision and speed. These advanced machines can follow complex recipes, adjust cooking times, and even plate dishes with artistic flair, making gourmet dining accessible to everyone. Picture countertop devices that use AI to analyze the nutritional content of your food, providing valuable insights into your diet. These devices can suggest healthier alternatives, track your caloric intake, and even recommend recipes based on your dietary needs and preferences. AI has the potential to personalize our culinary experiences further, catering to our individual tastes and preferences. Imagine a kitchen where your appliances know your favorite dishes, remember your dietary restrictions, and can even suggest new recipes based on what you have in your pantry. It's an exciting time to be a food enthusiast, as AI continues to transform the culinary landscape. With these advancements, cooking can become more efficient, enjoyable, and tailored to our unique lifestyles, making every meal a delightful experience. Section 6. A Final Bite, Embracing the Delicious Future. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here and ready to revolutionize our kitchens. From smart appliances that simplify cooking to personalized meal plans that cater to our individual needs, AI is transforming the way we interact with food. Embrace the delicious future and let AI be your guide on a culinary adventure filled with convenience, personalization, and endless possibilities. Bon appétit!